Hello everyone, and today I got a new motorized all engines go pack. This is called Deliver the Win Diesel, a greatest moment pack released to coincide or tie in with Race for the Sodor Cup. And as you can see here, it comes with diesel with racing stripes, red flatback with bad with Sodor Cup trophy, and yellow cargo car with yellow and black stripes, waving flags, and black barrels and crates. This is the Now this is the fourth All Engines Go item I got. Well, in my case, the fourth motorized All Engines Go item. In case you're wondering, why is this already open? Well, I didn't exactly open it yet, but I kind of cut I kind of cut the tape off right here, so I wouldn't have to do it on camera. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed. Set the box aside. These instructions. I'm Hold on. We got diesel. I just need to get the rolling stock. And here are the pieces. First up is diesel with racing stripes, or as I may like to call them, racing diesel. There's the red flatbed with the Sodor Cup trophy. And a yellow cargo car with yellow and black stripes, with moving flags, and black barrels and crate. Oh, these are movable. Oh yeah, these pieces are movable. Mike, I think this cargo car was likely reused from the Shooting Star Golden Pack from the Great Race. I don't know, maybe. Some most the fandom says All Engines Go was bad, but I gotta be honest, it's not that bad from my perspective. Surely, lack of realism and as well as lack of faithfulness to the books and the original show are my main issues. But this is what we got now. So you people are just gonna have to deal with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put batteries in him. Takes on two AAAs. Ooh. One wheel's I can see one wheel's being wonky. Oh, in case you're wondering where I got this from, well, these are currently on shelves at Walmart. So, yeah, they're at Walmart now. Not sure why these All Engines Go items are sold at Target first. Maybe because Target is more popular than Walmart. Or maybe they were originally released as Target exclusives, or you get the picture. But anyways, by the way, we have on the flag here we have two new characters from the movie. Let's see. Ooh, uh-oh. I think I found a factory error. One of the new characters is upside down. Yep. Yep. That's an error. Yeah, that's my review on the Deliver the Wind Diesel. Not only all engines goes, not only one of all engines goes, not only one of all engines, not only one of all engines goes first greatest moment pack, but also Diesel's very first greatest moment pack overall. No, not counting. No, not counting packs which are exclusives in stores, such as the Land, Air, and Sea Rescue, and others. Yes, others. Anyways, that's my review on the Deliver the Wind Diesel. Again, if you don't like All Engines Go, that's fine. But despite the despite all the amount of backlash the show received, it somehow managed to become successful. And so, All Engines Go is here to stay. You're just gonna have to deal with it. But as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.